Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the classics first chapter, the Kabuliwala. This short story written by Rabindranath Tagore. So let's see something about the story and the writer. Kabuliwala is a Bengali short story written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1892. The story of a merchant from Kabul, Afghanistan. Means it's the story of a seller. Merchant means a seller from Kabul. Kabul is a place name in Afghanistan, who comes to Calcutta, India, each year for selling dry fruits and while living. That means this seller selling dry fruits and he coming every year India for his business. And while living in India, he becomes friends with a 5-year-old girl named Minnie from a middle-class family. The story beautifully tells the mutual affection and the unconventional relationship between these two. So, in this story, Rabindranath Tagore tells the relationship or the unconditional friendship between this Kabul merchant and the 5-year-old girl named Minnie from India. So in this story, the main characters are, one is the narrator and another one is Rahmat or the Kabuliwala. He is a Kabuliwala, name is Rahmat here, and third one is Minnie, and fourth one is the narrator's wife or Minnie's mother, and one more is Parvati. So let's see the narrator, the first character. Narrator is a Minnie's father. Minnie, we already saw that Minnie is another character name of the story. Minnie's father is the narrator here, and the story is unnamed first person. And in this story, this narrator don't have any mentioned any name. So Minnie's father and the story is unnamed person is the narrator. The narrator is a writer and is working on his novel when the story starts. The narrator loves very much his child Minnie, his only child Minnie, who is 5-year-old. So he is the first character here, the narrator, and is a Minnie's father and is a writer, and he loves his only child Minnie very much. And one more character is Rahmat or the Kabuliwala. Here the Kabuliwala named as Rahmat. Rahmat is a traveling dry fruit seller from Afghanistan. We already saw that he is a merchant from Afghanistan. So he is a traveling dry fruit seller from Afghanistan. He don't have any fixed shop or anything. He is a traveling fruit seller from Afghanistan or a Kabuliwala. He is first seen wearing dirty shaggy clothes, which indicates that he is from a lower class. So in this story we can see he is looking like a lower class because he is wearing dirty shaggy clothes, and he is looking like also a lower class man. Minnie, the 5-year-old narrator's daughter, scared Rahmat at first look, but eventually they develop a real friendship. At first look, this narrator's 5-year-old girl Minnie scared this Rahmat because of his first look is like that, and after that eventually they develop a real friendship. So the third character is Minnie. Who is Minnie? Minnie is the only child of the narrator and his wife. At the beginning of the story, she is a talkative, inquisitive and energetic 5-year-old girl. She is very close with her father. One day she sees Rahmat, the Afghani fruit seller, coming down the road and started yelling Kabuliwala. At first, Minnie scared him and gradually they become friends. So in this story, Minnie is a character and she is a narrator's and his wife's only child. At the beginning of the story, they are telling that she is a very talkative and very energetic 5-year-old girl. She is very close to her father. Father means Minnie's father, who is Minnie's father in the story, narrator. She is very close to with her father. One day she saw Rahmat. Who is Rahmat? The Kabuliwala, the Afghani seller name is Rahmat. So one day Minnie sees Rahmat, the fruit seller, coming down the road, and she started yelling. She started calling him as Kabuliwala. At first Minnie scared him, and gradually they become friends. And the next character is narrator's wife. Narrator's wife means here Minnie's mother. Like the narrator, Minnie's mother is never named in the story. The narrators in the story, they never mention the narrator's name also. Like narrator's name, his wife also never named in the story. Minnie's mother was a short-tempered and was quick to scold Minnie for her excitable and endless questions. We already saw that Minnie is a 5-year-old, very talkative and energetic girl. So Minnie's mother always scold her because of her excitable and endless questions. She is a short-tempered girl, short-tempered woman. And she don't like Rahmat and their friendship. Who is the Rahmat here? Rahmat is a fruit seller, and Minnie's mother don't like Rahmat, and the friendship between Minnie and Rahmat also she don't like. She even asks the narrator to keep an eye on Rahmat to make sure he is not going to kidnap Minnie and sell her into slavery in Afghanistan. So she is scared that Rahmat's motive to make friendship with Minnie for kidnap her and sell her into slavery in Afghanistan. And the one more character is Parvati. Parvati is Rahmat's daughter. Rahmat only mentioned his daughter at the end of the story, when he reveals to the narrator that he always carries around a paper with her handprint on it to remind him of her. Minnie also reminds Rahmat of Parvati while he is in Calcutta and unable to be present in his daughter's life. Minnie becomes a stand-in for Parvati, and the interactions between Rahmat and Minnie becomes a father-daughter relationship. Although she does not make an appearance in the story, Parvati is the reason that the narrator is able to finally form a real meaningful connection with Rahmat. So when the narrator is in India, that time he cannot contact with his real daughter Parvati. That time, their absence he filled with this Minnie's presence. So at the end of the story, the narrator gives Rahmat money from Minnie's wedding fund so that he can return to Afghanistan and his now grown up daughter. So at the end of the story, the narrator gives Rahmat to give some money from Minnie's wedding fund so that he can return to Afghanistan and he can join with his daughter. So that's all for this chapter, Kabuliwala, and the theme of the Kabuliwala is mainly friendship. The writer has beautifully portrayed the friendship of this Afghan trader and Minnie, a little playful child. Though Rahmat was almost of the age of Minnie's father, that means the narrator's age, and he and Minnie shared a very unique bond of friendship. So in this story, this writer telling a relationship between this father-aged man and little Minnie's friendship.